topic that will be covered in this topic is basic concept of matter, the development of the atomic model, atomic structure, and isotopes and its uses.
Oops, wait a second.
Alright student, before we start our lesson, let's jot down the pre-lesson question so that after this, you can revise and answer the question from my slide. Alright, the first question is, who is the scientist that proved the existence of neutrons in the nucleus? Question number 2. How many valence electrons are there in C elements? Question number 3. What is the use of isotope cobalt-60? (2.1) Basic concept of matter.
Alright, for the learning standard, by the end of this lesson, students should be able to describe the matter briefly, explain the change in the state of matter, determine the melting point and freezing point of naphthalene through activity. Matter is something that has mass and occupies space. Matter consists of particles that are tiny and discrete. Matter exists in 3 states, which is solid, liquid, and gas. Here an example for you. You eating an ice cream while watching TV, and by a few times, the ice cream start to melt. Did you know why? This is because the ice cream absorbs heat energy from the surrounding and changes the state of matter of the ice cream from solid to liquid. This is caused by 2 processes, which is heating and cooling.
These figures shows the conversion among state of matter through the process of heat absorbed or heat release. When heat energy is absorbed or released, changes occurs in kinetic energy, arrangement of particles, and attraction force between particles, causing the state of matter to change. As you can see, there's changes from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, gas to solid, and also solid to gas, gas to liquid, and liquid to solid.
Solid. Particles are closely packed in an orderly manner. Kinetic energy is very low, and attraction force between the particles is strong. For the liquid, particles are closely packed but not in an orderly manner. Kinetic energy of particles is higher than solid state, and attraction force between the particle is strong but less than solid state. For gas, particles are far apart. Kinetic energy of particles is very high, and attraction force between particles is so weak. Students, the matter can be classified into 2, which is the elements and the compound. What is the difference between elements and compound? Okay, the elements is, for example, atom and molecule. And for compound, example is molecule and also ion.